Hello, today I'm in Lexus UX200. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic transmission. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this lever. To switch from parking to reverse, press brake, push the lever right and downwards. To switch from reverse to neutral, push it downwards, and same for drive. Once we are in drive mode, we can push the lever left, and now you can manually change gears by using paddles behind the steering wheel. Push the gearbox lever right, upwards, and left to select parking. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.